Basic patterns. Do your kids still believe in Santa Claus? How come you never believe me? I'm sure he'll find a way to do that without more taxes. I can't believe it. They believed that certain gods caused things in nature. I have faith in the government. I believe that I can do anything if I try hard enough. I don't believe you. Do you believe in anything? I have no choice but to believe what you're saying. Have you questioned your beliefs? I can't believe you've said that. I'm convinced by his words. I believe he can be trusted. I'll take your word for it. Dialogue 1.
What are you doing today?
What I always do, every year.
By the way, do your kids still believe in Santa Claus?
My son's only 4 years old, so I haven't told him the truth yet.
How old were you when you stopped believing in Santa?
I was 10. A kid at school told me Santa wasn't real.
My dad told me when I was 10.
That's a pretty big moment when you stop believing in Santa.
I didn't say I believed my dad when he told me Santa wasn't real.
So, you still believe in Santa Claus?
It's the only thing I don't believe in anymore.
Dialogue 2.
Who do you think will win the election for senator?
I think Tom Smith will win. I hope so.
Why do you want Smith to win?
He promised to lower taxes.
And you believed him?
Sure, why not?
He's just saying that in order to win the election.
How do you know?
He wants to have many new programs which require taxes.
I'm sure he'll find a way to do that without more taxes.
You're too naive.
And you're too cynical. Dialogue 3. Hi, Mom. I'm going out to play.
Have you finished your homework, young man?
Yes. Can I go now?
Let me see your work.
How come you never believe me?
You never give me reason to believe you. Now show me your work.
Okay. Let me get it. Here, see?
Well, it looks like you've actually finished.
Good. Now can I go out and play?
Okay, you can go out.
Thanks, Mom. Bye. Dialogue 4. Hey, guess what?
What is it?
I've got some really good news.
Well, don't keep me in suspense. Tell me.
I got promoted to manager at the office.
Oh, that's too good to be true. I can't believe it.
Believe it, honey. It's true.
I guess this means you'll be getting paid more.
Yes, I can hardly believe it myself.
Maybe we can go to Mexico this year for vacation.
Is that what you want to do?
Maybe. We can talk about it. This is unbelievably good news.
It's certainly true.
I'm so happy for you.
Dialogue 5. Hey, Mary, do you know when our reports are due?
I believe they're due at the end of the month.
What is your paper about?
I'm writing on Greek mythology.
That's interesting.
Yes, it is. I'm learning many things.
Didn't they believe in a lot of different gods?
Yes, they did. They believed that certain gods caused things in nature.
Some people still believe things like that today.
Maybe, but most modern people know more about science.
I don't know about that. I saw your last grade in science class.
Very funny, Paul.
Substitution drills. 1. My dad told me when I was 10. My dad revealed the truth to me when I was 10. My dad informed me when I was 10. My dad explained it to me when I was 10. 2. That's a pretty big moment when you stop believing in Santa. That's an important moment when you stop believing in Santa. That's a serious moment when you stop believing in Santa. That's a significant moment when you stop believing in Santa. 3. What are you doing today? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing next week? What are you doing tonight? 4. Who do you think will win the election for senator? Who do you think will win the race for senator? Who do you think will win the contest for senator? Who do you think will win the vote for senator? 5. He promised to lower taxes. He promised to cut taxes. He promised to raise taxes. He promised to decrease taxes. 6. And you believed him? And you trusted him? And you agreed with him? And you accepted what he said? 7. You're too naive. You're too gullible. You're too easily tricked. You're too trusting. 8. I'm going out to play. I'm going out to exercise. I'm going out to read. I'm going out to walk. 9. Oh, that's too good to be true. Oh, that's too good to be possible. Oh, that's too good to be believable. Oh, that's too good to be believed. 10. I guess this means you'll be getting paid more. I guess this means you'll be getting more money. I guess this means you'll be getting higher income. I guess this means you'll be getting better pay. 11. This is unbelievably good news. This is incredibly good news. This is very good news. This is wonderfully good news. 12. I believe they are due at the end of the month. I think they are due at the end of the month. I imagine they are due at the end of the month. I suppose they are due at the end of the month. 13. I'm learning many things. I'm discovering many things. I'm finding out many things. I'm coming across many things. 14. I'm writing on Greek mythology. I'm writing on Greek religion. I'm writing on Greek traditions. I'm writing on Greek folk tales. 15. Didn't they believe in a lot of different gods? Didn't they believe in a lot of different deities? Didn't they believe in a lot of different spirits? Didn't they believe in a lot of different idols? Monologue. America is home to many different beliefs or religions. The most common is Protestant Christian, followed by Catholic Christian. There are many other faiths, though, including Jewish, Hindu, Buddhist, and Muslim. Most of these religions came from other countries, but often spread throughout America. Many Asian religions are becoming popular with European Americans. Some people don't believe in any religion. Others don't believe in God. Most people who say they believe do not actually go to church. Other people go to church because it is tradition, but do not really believe in God. There are many different cultures in America, and as a result, there are many different beliefs.